despite the current problems Huawei has been having with the US government, we've seen them continue to launch new phones, going on with their schedule of the calendar whatever calendar they had of launching phones. So recently they announced the Nova 5 series, the Nova 5, Nova 5 Pro, and the Nova 5i. They are launching currently the Huawei Y9 Prime, the 2019 Huawei Y9 Prime, which is to be differentiated with the 2019 Huawei Y9. So this is the Prime version, and it's coming to the Kenyan market. We already saw Jumia list it at 24,999, and with that you're getting 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. So from just the beginning, it's a good deal. It's a prime better version of the normal Y9, which is a great phone. So you're getting a good deal. But before talking a lot about everything, let's unbox it and see what you get inside the box. The thing to note with this phone is that there is no notch, and there is no the bezels are greatly reduced at the top. So you remember it's a pop-up camera. So it's exciting to see how the pop-up works and how Huawei has implemented this sort of way of going around the notch. So it's the normal phone. At the top you see the details of the device, 5.59 inch screen, it's full HD, the auto pop-up selfie camera, the triple AI camera, 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, 4000 milliamp battery, and for the first time Huawei is bringing the USB-C technology to the Y series. Normally it has been left for the high-end phones, but Huawei is opening it up, so Type-C finally. It's the usual sort of Huawei design at the back, the one we saw with the Huawei Y7. The good thing here is that it's sort of more premium in feel, and with a blue version, as you can see, there's sort of reflecting of light. But Huawei has done a different thing with the Y9, so that it's sort of 2 layers of colors, or 2 layers of the back design. The pictures speak for themselves. Also worth noting is that there is a screen protector that comes pre-applied, so this display already has a screen protector underneath it. Okay, so all the Huawei Y9 devices or any Huawei phone that's being launched currently still comes with Google Play services. There's been talk about the ban and how everything will be going, but nobody knows what's going to happen in the future. Huawei has promised that all their phones will continue getting updates, and that's what we should expect from them. So this phone comes with MUI version 9, yes, but it runs on Android 9. It comes with 4 gigs of RAM, like I said, 128 gigs of internal storage, and it still runs Google services. So you'll find Google services here, you'll find all the Google apps you need here. YouTube is still running here. There's been talk about Facebook banning Huawei from pre-installing the application, which is a good thing if you ask me, because we hate bloatware. So that's a good thing in terms of bloatware, but the Huawei phones that are being launched currently will still have the Facebook app. For me, the most exciting bit of this phone is that, as you can see, the camera pops out and pops back inside. All the other phones that have pop-up cameras are very expensive phones, and Huawei is trying to get this sort of technology to everyone who wants it. So yeah, as Jumia has estimated the price to be 24,999. When Huawei announces the official pricing, I'll add it in the description. You know that the other camera that has a pop-up, the other phone that has a pop-up selfie is the Oppo F11, and that's 40,039.99. So yeah, for 24,000 you can get a pop-up camera, the Huawei's custom-made Kirin 710F processor, which is a really good processor, 12nm processor, 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, 5.59-inch display. It's a big display and it's full HD, as you can see. It looks really good. I'll be using the phone for the next couple of weeks because I want to write a comprehensive review. This is just my first impressions. It looks really good. I really like it, and I'm definitely switching to it immediately so that the review can come sooner. I like that the colors look good, the display looks good, especially the bezels. They're very tiny at the top. It looks like a very premium device, and I hope to really enjoy using it. So yeah, that's the unboxing and first impressions of the new Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. It comes with everything you expect from an Android phone, so there's no problem about Huawei being banned and all that. And even if we don't know the future, Huawei is assuring us that they'll continue making good phones. I'll be talking about the phone on Twitter, so follow me there. And a full review will be coming soon, so subscribe.